Hello, we're ready for Unit 2, Week 3, Day 1. Alright, I want you guys to think about where do animals live together? Where do animals live together? Maybe at a zoo. There's a lot of animals there. Yeah. Where else? Maybe at your house. Maybe you have more than one animal at your house. What about the forest or the desert? Yeah, they live with each other all around the world. Alright, here is today's first vocabulary word. This word is habitat. Can you say it with me? Habitat. A habitat is a place where an animal lives in nature. It's where they live. A habitat is where an animal lives. Do you know this word? Depend. Can you say it with me? Depend. When you depend on something, you rely on it for things that you need. This baby depends on the mom to feed it, to bathe it, to change it, right? What do you depend on your parents or your grandparents or your aunt or your uncle to do? You depend on them to take care of you, right? And to give you food and clothes and to love you. Alright, now we're going to listen to a story. And can you guess what animal we're going to be reading about? Oh, frog, you're right. Alright, let me pull up my story. And we're going to listen to the story. Here we go.
Babies in the Bayou by Jim Arnowski. Author's note. A bayou is a southern waterway that mixes with the sea. It can be pronounced bayou or bayou. For sale. In the bayou, where hanging moss droops from the trees, and white birds wade in shallow water, an alligator floats near her babies, all sleeping on a log.
There are babies in the bayou with black and yellow tails, and smiling mouths with rows of sharp white teeth.
Mother alligator guards her babies well. She lets no one come near. There are babies in the bayou with rings around their tails. Each little face is masked in black. Their mother shows them how to dig for tasty turtle eggs. There are babies in the bayou with shells upon their backs and strong little legs to carry them.
One after another, the tiny turtles plop into the water.
There are babies in the bayou with webs between their toes. Little ducklings in a row follow their mother through the maze of lily pads. She shepherds them away from danger. Away from hungry mouths with rows of sharp white teeth. There are babies in the bayou with black and yellow tails.
Alright, what were some of the animals that we saw in our story? We saw, what did we see? Turtles? ducks. What else did we see? Raccoon. Alligators. We saw lots of animals, didn't we? All right, we're going to look at this page. This page. Can you tell me how many words are in this sentence? Let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And this is where it stops because there's an ending mark. Do you know what ending mark that is? It's a period. That's right. And what does a sentence need to start with every time? Remember? A capital letter. Very good. What are some of the things that the moms did for their babies in this story? What did they do for their babies? They protected them, right, from dangerous things. Yeah, they kept them away from danger. All right. Now, in this, there were some animals that lived on land and some that swam. All right, let's keep going. Which two words end the same? They have the same ending sound. Band, back, land. Band, land. Good job. Sink, hunk, hand. Sink, hunk, hand. Sink and hunk. They both end with the k sound. Lamp, last, jump. Lamp, last, jump. Lamp and jump. Help, ant, scent. Help, ant, scent. Which words end the same? Ant and scent. All right, this week we're going to be talking about end blends. Some words have a blend at the end. We call this an end blend. Okay, so let's look at nest. It has two consonants at the end, and they say their own sound. Nest, nest. ST would be our end blend. All right, let's tap some out. Are you ready? Let's see. Nest. And sand. And end. Ant. Ant. All right, now we need to figure out what these words would be. We're going to tap them out, and then we're going to figure out how to spell them. Are you ready? What is this a picture of? Net. Let's tap it. Net. How would we spell it? What's our first sound? What says N. What's our second sound? What says E. What's our third sound? T. N-E-T spells net. All right, what's this a picture of? Hen. Hen. What says H? What says F? E. And what says N? H-E-N. Spells hen. All right, this is a picture of a pen. Let's tap it. Pen. All right, what says P? What says I? What says N? P-I-N. Pen. Alright? What is this pointing to? It's a fish, but let's look at that arrow. What is that arrow pointing to? A fin. Let's tap it. Fin. Alright, how do I spell it? F-I-N. Fin. Very good. Oops, that's the wrong button. Alright, we're going to read some sentences. Are you ready? An ant is not fast. An ant is not fast. What word has an end blend? Fast! Good job! What punctuation mark does a sentence end with? A period. What does our sentence start with? A capital letter. Good job. All right, let's do our next one. Is the test on the desk? Is the test on the desk? There are two words that have an end blend. What are they? Test, desk. S-T and S-K would be our end blend. All right, here we go. Third sentence. The skunk is in the tent. The skunk is in the tent. Do you see any end blends? Skunk and tent. Good job. All right, these are our high frequency words or our sight words for the week. Do you know what this word is? Eat. E-A says E. Eat. Eat. It can also say some other things, but in this word it says E. Eat. Let's use it in a sentence. I love to eat ice cream. What do you love to eat? All right, what's this word? No. No, you can't run in the house. No. Do you know this word? Oh. Now this is a tricky word because we hear the sound and O doesn't say that, right? And F says not. This one doesn't follow any of those rules. So this is when you're just going to have to remember O-F spells of. Let's see, can we use it in a sentence? I am proud of you. All right, what's this word? Let's see if we can sound it out. D. Do you know what ER says? ER says Let's see. Under. He was under the bed. This is a tricky one. Now we've learned in Foundations that WH says what? Wha. But this one does not follow the rule. This word is who. It doesn't follow the rule. Who. W-H-O. This is one you're just going to have to memorize. W-H-O spells who. Who are you? All right, that's it for day 1. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.